Hello, this is Elite Prep. Let me introduce our 2020 Winter Bootcamp. It starts on December 21st till December 31st for 2 weeks. Students will study 4 days in a week, Monday through Thursday. Students will take one SAT practice test over the weekend and have a test review session on Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday will be SAT lecture and quizzes. The class is from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. for a total 8 days. During Winter Bootcamp, students will take 2 SAT practice tests and 8 days of classes. It may be either in person or online, or both classes available depending on branches. For more information, please contact our Elite.